I will exact vengeance for this upon you and all your allies, like poison ivy. My toxin overwhelms her. She's paying the price for opposing me right now.
Yeah, this is a city of fear, all right.
Ivy!
Nature always wins.
Sir, the gas cloud is dissipating. You did it. You and Poison Ivy, I mean. We underestimated the humanity that remains within her.
She's gone, Alfred. Clearing the toxin took everything she had.
Oh, I see. Her final act was a noble one.
I need to find Scarecrow before anyone else dies. Do you have any leads?
Nothing concrete, sir. But the GCPD comms room might. They're currently puzzled by an encrypted transmission sent on a SWAT channel from within the city. Most odd, given there are no SWAT officers currently in the field. Then, of course, there are the numerous unsolved cases that still require your attention. With the toxin clear, now would be the perfect time to reassert your control of the city. Looks like one of the Station 17 firefighters is being held hostage near Grand Avenue Station. Scans have revealed multiple sentry gun placements. Consider your approach carefully, sir.
The Arkham Knight may have fled in terror, but now his army answers to me. For even as my toxin dissipates, it leaves behind a forsaken city, forever tainted by your fate. Tonight, the myth of Batman dies.
I can't disrupt a deployed sentry gun. I should use the remote hacking device to blind it.
You know, if you want to get anything off your chest, now's a good time. What are you talking about?
You know, it helps to unburden yourself before you die.
You gonna kill me?
Yeah, we kinda had that in mind.
But I thought I was a hostage. You're waiting for a ransom. Who said anything about a ransom?
We don't want money. We could go and take anything in this city we want.
Nah, this is entertainment, my friend. Good old-fashioned fun. You're crazy!
Oh, that's funny. You know, my probation officer said the same thing. Right before I set him on fire. It's the bat!
drone sensors are temporarily disabled, but I can only hack one at a time. So the previous drone will be back online.
Help me, please!
I don't know what to say. I didn't think anyone was coming. I've had a bad feeling about this city for weeks. Ever since the fires started.
I need more evidence to be certain, but I think your crew was tackling the work of one serial arsonist.
Great! Guess it wouldn't be Gotham without a crazy pyro running loose, huh? You know, the chief always said we'd get through it. But I don't know anymore. Not after this.
Everything's going to be okay. You'll be safe with the rest of your men back at GCPD.
You ever hear about Team 7? I haven't heard that name in a while. Some serious stuff.
Bruce, I've got a present for you. I've located one of Penguin's trucks at the rear of the movie studios.
A truck to follow, a weapons cache for us to destroy. Thanks, Nightwing.
Oh, detective, there's still a trial left for you to complete. If it helps, Dark Knight, think of yourself as Hercules.
I don't care.
My cut!
Think the little man's good for it?
You know?
I never trusted the guy.
Tedious tests of strength.
Finally, did you get those beers? What the? Oh God, get us out of here! It's the Bat!
I see Batman. He's coming for us.
What the hell are we gonna do now?
Keep going. We can lose him.
I'm going as fast as I can. What the hell is he doing? This is bad. Really freaking bad.
Is he still behind us?
How do I know? You're supposed to be the lookout.
I think he's gone. You think he's gone?
I'm driving here. Just keep looking.
Contact the boss. Ask him what do we do.
He ain't answering.
What now?
If he pulls us back to the guns, we're dead. I don't see him. We lost him. We actually lost him.
Get us back to HQ before he comes back.
You got it. I knew he wouldn't catch us.
He never had a chance.
Penguin was right. The Bat's losing it.
Penguin's hiding his weapons inside Gotham's water filtration plant. Let's hit him hard, Nightwing. Alfred, the refrigeration truck I was following has entered Gotham's water filtration plant. Access city blueprints and find me a way inside.
Right away, sir. All right, you should be able to access this facility from the sewer tunnels underneath the island. May I suggest taking the car? I've marked the location on your map.
Thanks, Alfred.
I think our radar console's faulty. Too sensitive or something. What do you mean? Well, I'm pretty sure I just saw our turret taking pot shots at a bird. No, was it a seagull? I hate seagulls. Flying rats. Yeah, but what about the ammos? Taking out 3 crewmen.
tonight's the night. For sure. You ain't getting out of this alive. Hit hard and freeze. Take back. Any last prayers, Batman? You can home. Dodge this, Batman!
Good news. I found Penguin. He's right where we want him.
Cocky little bastard. You've been taking from me all night, Batman. It's time I did a little taking of my own.
Bats, I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
Alfred, I need you to use Nightwing's tracker and isolate his location for me.
Master Grayson isn't in any danger, is he, sir?
Penguin has him.
Oh dear. Yeah, I've got a signal. They're holding him at a location in Otisburg. You must hurry, sir. We both know Master Grayson can be too reckless for his own good.
It's happening again, Bats. First you got Jason Todd killed, now old Dick's about to meet his maker.
I can't do that yet.
You know what you're thinking, and you're right. This is all your fault. You should come with us.
I hope they send the National... Penguin was sure the bat was gonna show. How come? What's tied up downstairs and getting the crap beat out of it? Oh yeah, Nightwing. I wonder how he's holding up. Ah, the young ones can take it. He's a cocky son of a bitch, ain't he? He's never faced the Penguin before. He thought he could take the boss on his own. What a punk! He put up a good fight, I give him that. But experience wins out every time. You think the boss will kill him?
No question, just a matter how inventive he is. I've seen him do things without an umbrella that'll make your eyes water. No way the bat's getting past me. I'm not letting these weapons get destroyed, that's for sure.
We're the real muscle in this town.
Get through this, and that money's mine. The freak's probably out there watching. He likes that sort of thing. I'm not letting these weapons get destroyed, that's for sure. What?
This elevator shaft should give me access to the rest of the building.
You're actually going to save him, aren't you? You should leave him. He deserves it. Going off on his own like that. He doesn't respect you, Bats. Never has.
How do you like this, Nightwing? All us scumbags, and you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah, I know it's just eating you up, Mr. Hero. Don't expend too much energy forming words. You're gonna need it later.
This punk, you're gonna die in here.
There's nothing like beating on Batman's friends.
Yeah, he won't recognize you when we're finished.
You know, I'm sensing some hostility.
Hey, he's up. The boss wants to finish this one off himself.
You hear that, Nightwing? We're gonna keep you alive for a little bit longer.
More stimulating conversation. Great.
Ready for a shot.
Try harder.
Hey, look! A disc!
Heads up!
You can't.
We can take these guys.
That's supposed to hurt. I thought you'd be better.
This is your funeral, freak!
Make sure you keep up, Batman.
Catch this, Nightwing!
Hey, buddy. This is gonna hurt.
What did you think you were doing coming here alone?
You know what? Thank you for finding this place. Nice. You should be happy. We got all the caches. Okay, Penguin's finished.
We still need to find him.
I doubt he stuck around.
Well, ain't this cozy? You need to keep an eye on this one, Batman. He's a bit too careless for my liking. Come any closer, and you get to see the contents of his head.
Hey, Oz. You remember the Flying Graysons?
Flying who? What you on about?
Flying Graysons. The greatest acrobats in the world.
Shut up, you fairy.
Whenever they performed in that circus, there was magic in the air.
I said shut it!
There was one move they did just took your breath away.
You're about to suck down your last breath, boy. I'd make sure you say your goodbyes. You hear that, Batman? You're gonna wish you never messed with me. Nobody takes from Penguin. Nobody! You've ripped me off one too many times.
You might enjoy listening to this, Batman, but I don't.
Maybe. No! Stop! Ah! Don't! Ah! I swear to God, you better kill me, Batman. Otherwise, I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna...
You know, I was just going to suggest you do that. So, here's the part where you tell me off.
I'm proud of you, Dick.
Are you feeling okay?
This is the end. This is the last time we meet.
Don't talk like that. All right, this won't stop you. Nothing stops you.
Keep Bloodhaven safe. Promise me.
It's okay, Bruce. I get it. You just don't want me hanging around, stealing the limelight.
Dick.
I won't let you down.
I know. You could sell them for scrap, if you ever get out.
You're nothing without your little helmet. I even had your boy, didn't I? What's the matter? Got you rattled?
Your choice, Cobblepot. GCPD or the...
Empty threats, Batman. We all know who done killed.
I'm not feeling myself tonight.
Well, I'm sure you will.
Here he is. Good job, Batman.
Move, Cobblepot.
Keep your cape on, I'm coming.
Thanks, Batman. I didn't think
Hey, boss, you're here! We're all back together.
Hey, it hasn't been the same without you. See that, Batman? That's loyalty.
You must be proud.
Gotham ain't going down yet, Batman. Thanks to you.
Not happy unless you're sticking that pointy little nose into my business, are ya? You stopped me this time, but I'll be out soon enough. Don't you worry about that.
Don't be fooled, Bats. Underneath that short... Fat, hideous exterior, there's an ickle fishy teddy bear waiting to get out.
The fools in here actually think you're winning. Deluded, Batman. They must get it from you.
An APC just got picked up via the scanner, sir. The militia's increasing protection for its lieutenant. Be careful.
I'm taking you down. Throw him down.
Riddler,
Talk. Sure, whatever you say.
we're done.
GC just got picked up via the scanner, sir. The militia's increasing protection for its lieutenants. Be careful.
Batman spotted at the clock tower. Think you can evade me? Got Batman on my tail. I need backup here now. We're on our way. Hold on. Enemy engaging. Taking damage. Ram off the road. Help me! Come on! It's too late. Lead vehicle's gone.
The militia's just lost one more lieutenant. I'm heading to GCPD to investigate the transmission sent on a SWAT channel from within the city.
Fingers crossed, sir, it sheds some light on Scarecrow's whereabouts.
Tell you a secret. You haven't seen the last of him. He's gonna find you, and when he does, he's gonna rip out your heart.
Tell me about this broadcast.
Wish I could, sir, but it's on a SWAT channel. Encrypted. Those boys really don't like anyone listening in.
I'm in.
Hey, you read me? It's Jim. I need you to send through some blueprints. I found Crane, and that bastard's going to die for what he did to my little girl.
Was that the commissioner? What's he doing?
Getting himself killed. But I've got the ID number of the radio he's using, and that means I can track him. I've decoded a radio transmission. It's Gordon.
Oh, he's alive.
I need you to isolate the radio's frequency and pinpoint its location.
Of course, sir. The transmission appears to have originated from an abandoned shopping mall. The building has been without power for some time, sir. You may well encounter some obstacles.
I've already retrieved the remote electrical charge prototype from the GCPD evidence room. That should help.
Very well, sir.
The fools in here actually think you're winning. Deluded, Batman. You must get it from...
You'll find him. I know it.
Good luck out there, Batman.
Don't tempt fate. This is an easy gig. I like it that way. Hey, Batman!
uses a remote electrical charge to power up or disable generators.
Get in the elevator! You know, when he comes for me, you're gonna need a lot more guys than this. Get in there or you'll be needing a wheelchair too! Batman's on his way! Stay alert!
Why would we need more guys? He's just one man. I'm guessing you get it. Commissioner's right.
We're short on numbers. Where's everyone else? Downstairs in that briefing. What briefing?
No good. He isn't wearing a headset.
Open the shutter! Now! The boss wants the door open.
Huh?
Thought the bat took him out when he destroyed the tank. Guess not. Let's get these shutters up. Door's open. Get ready. Think a little. He's here. It's his car! Bat comes through here. He's dead.
Batman has arrived ahead of schedule. Lock down the elevators and find him. Do you still believe that you are Gotham's savior? Soon the world will see you for what you truly are. A fallacy, a figment of hope in a world of suffering and pain.
Confirmed. Poison Ivy died with the gas. Let's see how tough Batman is without help.
If it's any consolation, I'm sure Crane's put old Jimbo out of his misery by now. It's not like he's got anything left to be afraid of. Not since they sent his little girl on the stair lift to heaven. So I was wondering, where do supervillains head off to once they've taken a battering? I wouldn't know, of course, since you never bested me. But do you think Arkham Knight's hanging out in some tacky dive bar right now, splashing glasses of cheap whiskey all over that masked face?
I just assumed. Kill
How many more bones will you crush? How many lives will you destroy in the pursuit of your crude justice? We are all products of our fears. I look at you and see a man born of violence and darkness.
No power. That won't work.
He said you'd be coming for the generator.
What will you give to save your friends, I wonder? Are you ready to reveal your secret? Are you ready for your legend to die?
No power. I need another way to move it. That's as far as the elevator will go. I need to find a way past the obstruction blocking the shaft. I can't move the elevator while I'm blocking its path. That's as far as the elevator will go.
Quiet. Okay. This briefing is to remind you all the tactics employed by our alpha target, the Batman. Take a look at it. Study it. Imagine yourself pulling the trigger and blowing a hole in it.
Their leader is wearing an explosive vest. I need to neutralize him first.
It's where the armor plating's strongest. You shoot him there, and you're just helping him. And we are not, I repeat, not in the helping him business.
Whoa! These guys are packed. So what do you think, ladies? My money's on the Batman. Though you could say I have a vested interest. Those boys have really done their homework. Where do you think they're getting their intel? Do you think Barbara told them? Oh, those sidekicks of yours. A teeny tiny bit of torture, and they're all, please make it stop. I'll tell all Batman's secrets.
Gordon's just beyond that wall. I'm going to need the Batmobile to destroy it and reach him. If I can lower the car on top of that drilling machine, I might be able to move it down to this level.
The Commissioner placed his trust in you to keep his city safe, his family safe. Can you still atone for your fate? Are you still the master of your own destiny? The answer's awaiting, Batman, as am I.
That's the second fan disabled. Now to get the Batmobile down onto that drill. That's as far as the winch can take me.
Nice try. It's like we're trapped up here.
That's as far down as the drill will go.